Greetings to you viewers all over the world. This is God Voice TV channel. Welcome to the House of Ithiel, a spirit from God. On the 10th of April 2025, the man of God, Prophet Favor Ithiel, gave a prophetic word to the nation of Japan concerning a 7 times magnitude earthquake that will hit the nation. Let us listen to what the prophet said and how it came to pass 8 months later after the prophecy was given.
Major reason why this will be happen and what he is about to also do to confirm this word of mine. Remember, my brother here, Hamaziel, is the one who will land in the country of Japan. My brother here, Hamaziel. The Lord said, I am angry with the nation of Japan, and I will release judgment of earthquake on them. 7 times. They choose to worship other gods and give glory to themselves. This earthquake, such has never happened before, because my brother Hamaziel will be landing as an earthquake. This one. It will be so intense until the nation turn back to me, says the Lord. This will not be changed.
Coming in, a magnitude 8 earthquake struck Russia's far east region. The earthquake that hit early Wednesday local time prompted tsunami warnings in parts of Japan, Alaska and Hawaii.
And according to reports, viewers, the quake has caused damage in the area near the epicenter of the Kamchatka Peninsula. People have been evacuated from the nearby regions as well. The earthquake also prompted a tsunami warning. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said waves of 1 and up to 3 meters above tide level were possible along some coastal areas of Hawaii, Chile, Japan and Solomon Islands.
The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said a tsunami had been generated by the quake that could cause damage along the coastlines of all the Hawaiian islands. According to Russia's TASS news agency, people ran out onto the streets without shoes or outerwear in Kamchatsky, the biggest city near the epicenter. Earlier in July, 5 powerful quakes, as you would recall, the largest with a magnitude of 7.4, struck the scene near Kamchatka as well. So this is the breaking that we have at the moment that's coming in.
And the result is definitely warnings are being given out in nearer areas as well, which are going to be impacted. As we mentioned earlier, Hokkaido in Japan has issued an evacuation alert following a major quake in Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. So the effect is reaching far and wide, with evacuations being ordered in different regions, Japan being one of them.
There has been no major physical damage report. Now, still, the relentless tremors have taken a toll. Nearly half of Akuseki's 89 residents have evacuated to the regional hub of Kagoshima, and others from nearby islands have also fled. Local mayor Genichiro Kubo says the tremors are causing significant stress, with many unable to sleep or feel safe in their homes.
Evacuations on a voluntary basis have been taking place. First on 4th of July, 13 people, followed by 6th July, 31 people left Akuseki Island, in total 44. As for Kodakara Island, 15 people were transported to Kagoshima on a ferry.
フェリーで鹿児島市内に移動いたしました。
Now, the weekend evacuation was part of the country's voluntary bases evacuation plan. One evacuee told that he was praying for the safety of those who decided to stay and for the earthquakes to stop soon. Now, the recent waves of earthquakes in the region comes days after Japan braced for a massive quake.
You can see how far the eyes of Jesus Christ can reach. Yes, even in our situations, this is to remind us that Jesus Christ sees it and he is concerned about it, to grant us solutions to our problems. Do not forget, this channel is all about Jesus Christ. Keep watching God Voice TV for the salvation of souls.